Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. And welcome to the new update on SEI. In my earlier videos, I was showing you that after the breakout from a falling wedge pattern, price end of SEI was rejected by a down trend line resistance, and this was my last video that I shared almost 1 day ago with you. Now let's move to the live chart. And this was the wedge that I was showing you. And after the breakout, we had a nice rally, but the price got rejected by this down trend line resistance and also got rejected by this very strong and long-term resistance of 70 cents as well. It has been previously breaking other resistance here, support here, resistance here, and now again for several days, it has been breaking other resistance. And now recently we have broken down this very significant support of 41.6 cents. And now we are about to test the next long-term support of 32 cents. That has been previously working as a support here. Before that, it was working as a resistance here, support here, and here it was also working as a resistance in the month of December 2023. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this previous rally that was begun here after the breakout from this falling wedge pattern as well. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for SEI that I shared a few days ago on 6th of January 2024 with my members. But 6th of January 2025, not 2024. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of December 2024. In the video's description, you can also visit that report as well. Now let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for SCI that I shared on 6th of January 2024, 2025 with my members. And that is a bullish bat move that SCI completed on a 2-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. You can see that after the completion of the final leg, it was slightly pumped. Therefore, I told my members that we can wait for some price correction. And by the way, this was the complete trade setup, a buying zone and the sell target sign, the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that as expected, the price then dropped down again into the buying zone. Then we had a very, very nice pump and the price then reached the sell target zone here. And if you would like to catch each other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of SEI. And here you can see that previously it was moving inside this wedge, but that is by the way smaller than the current falling wedge pattern. And the technical target for the breakout from this falling wedge pattern was here at the top of the wedge, approximately at 17.6 cents. And you can see that the price then rallied beyond that target. And if I place this measurement tool from this low to here, then you can see that it was more than 1109% very, very powerful rally. But here we found a quite long-term resistance zone from $1 to $1.14. And the price and got several times rejected by this resistance line and got stuck inside in another falling wedge pattern. Now, after the breakout, we had another very nice short rally. But after this rejection by this down trendline resistance and by this resistance of 70 cents, now we have broken down this very nice up trendline support. And now this support can be flipped into resistance. In fact, it is flipped into resistance. You can see that we got rejected and now the price is moving to the downside to test this long-term support of 32 cents. By the way, the technical target for this falling wedge pattern breakout is here at the top of the wedge. That is somewhere between $1 to $1.14.5. Therefore, we can expect that sooner or later the pricing can hit that target and it can try to break out this long-term resistance zone as well. And once SCI will be able to break out this resistance zone, then this resistance zone will be flipped into a long-term support zone, and this rally to the upside will be continued for the long term. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.